I want to show you two lawns on the same street. Same soil, same rainfall, same sun exposure, same neighborhood. One of them is mine. The other one belongs to my neighbor Dave. For 4 years, Dave's lawn embarrassed me every single morning. Then I figured out what he was doing at 6 a.m. Takes him 3 minutes, costs about $11 a year. I'm going to show you exactly what it is. The lawn care industry has spent decades convincing you that a great lawn requires a Saturday. Products, spreaders, schedules, 4-step programs, hours of work every weekend from April through October. Dave doesn't do any of that. I know because I've watched him. 3 years ago, I started paying attention. Dave is out there every morning, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, doesn't matter, for about 3 minutes before he goes inside to make coffee. He carries a small spray bottle. He walks the perimeter of his lawn. He's done before I've finished reading the newspaper. That's it. That's his entire lawn care program. I finally asked him about it last spring. He laughed, said he learned it from an old golf course superintendent he worked summers for in college, a man named Ray, outside of Knoxville. Said Ray told him the secret to a great lawn had nothing to do with weekends. It had to do with mornings. Every professional greensman I've ever known, Ray apparently said, works with the grass, not against it, and grass does its best work in the morning, so that's when you do yours. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what Dave does, and exactly what Ray taught him, in 3 minutes every morning that produces the lawn your neighbors are going to start asking you about. 35 years of lawn care work, over 800 lawns across the country, and I'll be straight with you. Dave's 3-minute routine taught me something I should have understood after year 1. I had been thinking about lawn care as a weekend task, a maintenance job, heavy equipment, bags of product, big efforts, periodic and scheduled. The professionals who maintain the best turf in America, golf course greenskeepers, estate groundskeepers, sports field managers, they don't think that way. They think in daily rhythms, small, consistent, precisely timed inputs that work with the biology of the grass rather than overriding it. A golf course greenskeeper doesn't show up on Saturday with a bag of fertilizer. He shows up at 5:30 a.m. every morning with a light hand applicator and a simple routine that takes less time than making breakfast. The result is turf that performs at a level no weekend warrior running a 4-step program ever approaches. Not because of better products, because of better timing. And the single most important timing window in the entire lawn care calendar is the one most homeowners sleep through. Here's what makes morning different. Biologically, grass blades are covered in microscopic pores called stomata, same structure that exists in every plant leaf. These pores open and close based on temperature, light, and moisture. In the morning, from roughly 5:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m., stomata are at their widest opening. The grass has been in darkness for hours. Carbon dioxide has built up. The plant is ready to photosynthesize. The stomata open wide to allow gas exchange. This is the absorption window. Any liquid that lands on a grass blade in this window is absorbed directly through the open stomata at a rate 3 to 4 times higher than at any other time of day. By 10 a.m., as temperature rises and direct sun hits the blades, the stomata begin to close. Drought defense mechanism. The plant restricts its own water loss. By noon, in summer heat, stomata are nearly closed entirely. Spray anything on the blade surface at noon and it evaporates before it absorbs. This is why professional greensmen work at dawn. It's not a preference, it's biology. And it's why your morning 3 minutes produces results that a full Saturday afternoon of spraying cannot match. Now, what does grass actually need in that morning window? 3 things, and only 3. 1. Iron. The mineral that deepens and intensifies chlorophyll color. Not nitrogen, which pushes blade growth. Iron, which deepens the color of the blades already there. Professional turf managers apply iron in the morning for exactly this reason. The foliar absorption rate at dawn means a light iron application produces visible color change within 24 to 48 hours. That same application at noon produces almost nothing. 2. Kelp extract. Liquid seaweed, specifically kelp, contains natural cytokinins. These are plant hormones that regulate cell division and growth. Applied as a foliar spray in the morning, cytokinins stimulate the grass to produce new lateral growth, tillering, which is what makes a thin lawn become a thick one, not taller growth, wider, denser growth. That's the difference between an average lawn and a carpet. 3. Magnesium. We covered this in depth in a previous video. Magnesium is the central atom in chlorophyll. Morning foliar delivery of magnesium through dissolved Epsom salt is the fastest possible pathway to color improvement. 3 inputs, delivered in 3 minutes, every morning. That's Ray's program, that's Dave's program, and now it's yours. Here is the complete routine, step by step. What you need: 1 32-ounce spray bottle. Any hardware store, about $3. Keep it pre-mixed and ready. Leave it by your back door. That's the entire equipment requirement. The mix: make a fresh batch every 5 to 7 days. Into your 32-ounce spray bottle filled with water, 1 teaspoon of liquid chelated iron, available at any garden center, $12 to $15 a bottle. This is your color deepener, the chlorophyll intensifier. Use chelated, not granular. Liquid only for foliar application. 1 teaspoon of liquid kelp or seaweed extract. Garden center, $10 to $14 a bottle. Maxicrop is the brand I've used for years. Any liquid kelp works. This is your tillering stimulator, your density builder. 1 teaspoon per 32 ounces. 1 teaspoon of Epsom salt, dissolved completely in warm water first. Your magnesium source, chlorophyll support, plain magnesium sulfate, no scents. 1 drop, not teaspoon. 1 drop of plain dish soap. Surfactant, helps the mix adhere to the blade surface. 1 drop is enough for 32 ounces. Shake gently. That's your spray bottle. Cost per full bottle, approximately 35 cents in product. Cost per year at 5 uses per week, about $11. The 3-minute walk. Step out the back door before 8:30 a.m., before you've had breakfast, before you've checked your phone. This is the biological window. Honor it. Walk a slow perimeter of your lawn. Not fast, not rushing. Steady pace. Spray in a sweeping side-to-side motion. You're misting the blade surface, not soaking it. Fine, even coverage. You should be able to see the mist on the blades. They should look lightly wet, not dripping. For a standard 2,000 square foot lawn, 1 32-ounce bottle lasts about 3 mornings of light application. You'll learn your refill rhythm within the first week. Walk north-south on the first pass, east-west on the next morning's pass. Cross-pattern over time ensures every blade gets consistent coverage. Do not apply on days where rain is forecast within 2 hours. The rain will wash the solution off before it absorbs. Check your weather app. 2-minute habit. Saves you product. Do not apply when grass is already wet from dew. Wait until the dew has dried slightly, around 7 a.m. in most regions. Applying to wet blades dilutes the solution and reduces contact time. That's it. Set the bottle back by the door. Go make your coffee. 3 minutes, done. Here's why this produces results that a once-a-week Saturday program never matches. The morning routine builds compound effects. Week 1, the iron begins deepening the color. Subtle at first. You notice it. Your neighbors haven't yet. Week 2, the kelp cytokinin effect begins. New lateral growth from existing grass plants. The lawn starts to feel denser underfoot. Coverage improving in thin areas. Week 3, the magnesium chlorophyll cycle is fully supported. Color is rich, uniform, deep, the kind that photographs differently. You start noticing it in photos you take in the morning light. Month 2, Dave's effect. Neighbors slow down when they drive past. Someone asks you what lawn service you hired. The density is now visibly different from lawns on either side of yours. Month 3, the lawn is functionally self-reinforcing. Dense grass naturally suppresses weed seed germination. Root depth has increased from the improved soil biology. The lawn handles heat and drought measurably better. This is what consistency does that products cannot. A $70 bag delivers a spike and a crash. 3 minutes every morning for 90 days delivers a permanently upgraded lawn. Ray knew this. Dave knows this. Now you do. Quick pause here. The morning routine handles the color and density side. If weeds are already part of your lawn battle, the bare spots that open up and invite weed seed, the dandelions and crabgrass already established, you need a parallel plan running alongside the morning spray. This is for folks who want the complete picture. Come right back. I've got one more piece to show you. One more thing Dave showed me. The seasonal adjustment that takes the morning routine from good to exceptional. The mix I gave you is your standard spring through fall formula, but Dave adjusts the ratio twice a year. In early spring, April and May, He increases the kelp extract to 2 teaspoons. Spring is tillering season. Double the cytokinin signal during active lateral growth and you get a noticeably denser lawn by June than you would otherwise. In late summer, August and September, he drops the iron to half a teaspoon and adds 1 teaspoon of diluted fish emulsion. Fish emulsion provides a natural amino acid complex that supports root development as the grass prepares for fall. Going into fall with deep roots means coming out of winter faster. The iron goes back to full dose in September as temperatures cool and the absorption window extends. This seasonal tuning adds approximately 2 minutes of extra preparation twice a year. That's it. Spring, double kelp. Late summer, half iron, add fish emulsion. Fall, back to standard. Ray apparently kept a small laminated card on his shed door with the seasonal ratios. Dave still has it. 4 mistakes I see with this method. Mistake 1, applying at the wrong time. After 9 a.m. in summer, stomata are closing. After 10 a.m. in summer, you're effectively wasting product. Morning means morning. Set an alarm if you have to. Mistake 2. Too much soap. 1 drop per 32 ounces. Not a teaspoon, not a capful. 1 drop. Too much soap disrupts the surface tension in a way that causes the solution to bead and run off, rather than adhere. 1 drop, every time. Mistake. 3. Skipping rainy day check. Applying and then getting rained on within 2 hours. 5 seconds on your weather app before you walk outside. Non-negotiable on mornings with uncertain weather. Mistake 4. Expecting results in 48 hours. The iron creates visible color change fast, often within 3 to 5 days. The kelp density improvement takes 3 to 4 weeks. You're building a compound system. The people who quit after a week miss the whole payoff. Commit to 30 days before you judge. That's Dave's 3-minute morning routine. That's Ray's program. That's what professional greensmen have been doing at dawn while homeowners sleep through the most productive biological window of the day. 1 32-ounce spray bottle. 1 teaspoon each of liquid iron, liquid kelp, and dissolved Epsom salt. 1 drop of dish soap. 3 minutes before 8:30 a.m. Annual cost, $11. Next video, I'm walking you through how to read your neighbor's lawn. Not in a competitive way, in a diagnostic way. The color patterns, the thin spots, the bare areas, they all tell you exactly what the soil is missing. And once you can read those patterns, you'll never look at a lawn the same way again. Trust me on this one. Dave told me Ray used to say, "A man who walks his lawn every morning knows more about it than a man who worries about it all week." 3 minutes. That's all it takes. See you in the next one.